Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're taking a break from working on the TJ. We pulled in Matt and Jen's new, well actually it's Jen's new 2020 Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. They wanted to put a 1.5-inch spacer in the front of it, so that's what we're doing. JK Gear and Gadgets did an amazing video on how to do this. So we'll put a link in for that a little bit here, but hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe, put a comment below if there's anything you'd like us to see. As always, have a blessed day.
My shock. I think I'm gonna need a regular wrench. I can't get in there with my impact's too big. Just a regular ratchet.
What size?
Just the 1/2-inch ratchet.
What size socket? Or do you already have a
socket? I got the socket.
Extension?
No. What are you thinking?
Brand new. Hey, is that Phantom bolt from JK Gear?
Yeah, it is actually. You ready?
Give her help.
Loose. 13. Cover. Oh. Is that 13?
Should be at 13.
Here, it's not 13. Oh, it's a 10.
And we want the sway bar completely disconnected.
Yes. Yeah. And we'll just do that side for now.
So how many miles is on this right now?
Probably about 100 and something.
100 and something miles.
Yep.
And we're taking it apart.
Yeah.
Because the engineers who get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars don't know what they're doing.
Okay, whatever. I think they know what they're doing.
We're just able to do it better.
We're just pretty in front of it. The factory rake is still pretty good. I mean, people are going to like that for gas mileage, I think. In wind resistance. Dang it. Probably says on the instructions, it probably says, oh, it's an 8.
Probably. It's only like 105 pounds of torque. What's the problem?
These are 130.
100. Oh, 30?
Yeah.
Only 30 PSI? What's the problem?
Should I undo the other side too? Should I undo the control arms, all 4 of them at the same time? Do you think?
It'd give you a little bit more flex if you just loosen them.
Because I mean, we got to loosen them all anyway. And loosen them all
might as well.
anyway. So.
Am I good? Probably right underneath the control.
I would say right underneath the control arm is probably the best. Because there's actually, where I'm used to jacking these things, there's actually a protective plate right there for
Something?
And we're going to find out what that is. I'm curious. This exhaust is so weird. How they did it, why they did it that way, it's so weird.
Alright, I am... track bar's loose, sway bar is disconnected on this side.
Okay.
Want me to go ahead?
Really? I just want to loosen these control arms here.
Okay.
We need to pull this brake line off right here. I brought the socket over. It's that middle one right there. Yep. And we need to pull that bracket off.
You're almost through.
Pull it from there. That's going to give me a little bit, but it's not going to unhook it completely. I just want to watch this. If this starts going, I'm going to have to. They recommend clipping that.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Everything's good so far. So we're still on control on good. Spring's getting there. Still good. You're getting about it, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, wait! I thought you were getting about it.
Huh?
I need to clip that. I need to clip that.
Well, you want to clip it or do you want to get behind it with this and pop it out?
I could probably pull the spring out the way it, just dropping this down a little bit. And, is that another pop in?
Should be. That's all they do is they pop in.
Oh yeah. They were talking about clipping it. Oh jeez. Go ahead and go down a little bit further. We got enough clearance in the brake lines, and we got enough clearance in these lines. Keep going. Still good. Still good. Still good. That's free. That's plenty.
And actually, here. That way they both match. I know that would drive you nuts. Just like you know it drive me nuts.
Yeah.
Did you pull out that isolator?
Yes, the isolator's pulled. I put the two spacers in. They're locked in their tabs.
Put the isolator back on.
The isolator's back on, locked in the tab.
Spring going back in.
Spring's going back. Oops. And I'm gonna tip that, turn that into place. All right.
Ready?
Yep. Are you still locked in? Where that's supposed to be? Shock bolt's going back in. Oh! Alright. Shock bolt is in.
Well, that one we can torque with everything off.
Yeah. Bit too long.
What are you talking about, Lewis? I'll even turn the ratchet so it turns the right way.
Oh, good, because that was going to suck if I had to start that again.
You want the Teraflex facing?
Yeah, yes.
Now you get here. Do you want me to wrench it and you hold it, the other one, or you got it?
I'm alright right now.
Are you gonna be stupid anal like I am and get the notebook started and had 105 miles?
No, it's on the. It'll be on the computer.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 miles when we got off the lot.
Nice.
How's Teraflex looking?
Teraflex. Oh, right about there. Yeah, that's a lot easier. Thanks.
Loosen it up. You need to go ahead and tighten.
You're probably good there. Don't work. All right.
Scott said it could go on. We'll see. That's a lot easier. Tell me when you're ready.
Go ahead. Mental note, don't put finger between spring and bushing or isolator pad. Keep going.
These wheels are 130.
They look nice. I'd run them. See, I've always wanted, when I bought my Jeep, I've always wanted the Rubicon 5-spokes. Yeah.
Little 2-inch extension. Yeah, another extension.
For that, it's going to be. And had those rims been on the Jeep, I probably never would have changed rims. Everything tight then? Or at least snug
Yeah.
for your hub?
Yeah, the wheels, yeah.
Right. Oh, wait.
Sure.
Is there a problem with that height?
Board over here. Yeah, my hands are a little dirty, more from the tires than anything else.
Yeah. Joys will work. Yeah, brand new vehicle. It's like, hands clean, done.
Snap, crank, crank.
That's the nice thing about having a truck.
This side was a little weird.
Yeah, because the other side, you don't have, from here all the way back is clear.
Oh,
They
yeah.
skid.
Yeah.
So you're going to have to go.
Oh, maybe too much. Huh?
Yeah. Maybe not.
Easy, easy. It's only 52. I would think you'd want them tight, you know?
You'd think. Okay. All right. Now
if you can guesstimate 155 degrees
so 180
is just a half.
So this should be
And that was about a quarter. So if you're doing one more of that, that'd be your half. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah. Now just go about another quarter, a little over a quarter.
Yeah. That's what she said.
Yeah, put a little more Scott behind it, huh?
Yeah, something like that. That extra quarter is gonna suck.
Yeah. Got a breaker bar if you have. There you go. That's really close there.
All right.
If anything, that's just a like 50-50 over. I think you're fine.
Yeah, it's right there. If you want to put another little oomph to it. That.
Yeah, I do. It's not much, but I just want to put a little more to it.
That's gonna suck.
All right, that'll work. Okay. Everything with the control arms and my little heat shields.
All right, here's the finished product. 1.5 inch spacer in the front to level out to get rid of some of that rake. 2020 Jeep Gladiator, Rubicon, and Gobi. A young Matt said they'd put on about 104, 105 miles on it, and here we are tearing it apart and making it just a little bit better. Our next video we're going to do, you can already see the T-top off, is the hothead headliner install. As always, like, follow, and subscribe. Leave comments below on what you want us to do different or do in the future. Have a blessed day.